Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a look at a vacuum cleaner designed for the heavy-duty needs of commercial environments, yet compact enough to suit residential spaces as well. The Oreck Commercial XL Pro 5 super compact canister vacuum cleaner is lightweight, versatile, and packed with features that promise to make cleaning easier. Let's dive right into what makes this vacuum stand out. At first glance, the Oreck Commercial XL Pro 5 immediately impresses with its feather-light weight, tipping the scales at just 5 pounds. If you've been looking for a vacuum that won't leave you aching after cleaning, this one is a game changer. Despite its light weight, it still manages to pack a powerful punch with impressive suction performance, making it a solid contender for both commercial and residential use. Whether you're vacuuming large offices, homes, or even workshops, this model is designed to provide that much-needed flexibility and comfort while keeping your space spotless. What sets this vacuum apart is its 30-foot cord, which allows you to cover a large area without the constant need to plug and unplug, providing a great balance between convenience and coverage. Add to that the integrated stretch hose, which extends to give you access to hard-to-reach spaces like above your head or behind heavy furniture. This is an ideal solution for those cleaning tricky spots without needing to constantly reposition the vacuum itself. The hose's length gives you a full range of motion, and it ensures you're never hindered by a short, restrictive cord. Now let's talk versatility. The Oreck Commercial XL Pro 5 is not just about reaching difficult spaces. It comes with an extensive accessory kit that includes a telescopic wand, a dusting brush, an upholstery tool, a crevice tool, and a floor cleaning nozzle with hard floor and carpet settings. This gives you the flexibility to switch from cleaning floors to reaching into corners or vacuuming upholstery with ease. Whether you're tackling hardwood, tile, or plush carpets, it's designed to handle a wide variety of surfaces without missing a beat. The adjustable nozzle settings allow you to adapt to different floor types effortlessly, making this vacuum not just powerful, but adaptable to the needs of your space. In terms of cleaning power, the Oreck XL Pro 5 delivers a consistent, high level of suction. While it's not as powerful as some larger industrial vacuums, it holds its own with commercial-grade suction, making it suitable for small to medium-sized commercial spaces as well as homes. This vacuum is also perfect for picking up fine dust and debris, ensuring that you're left with a clean, dust-free environment, which is especially helpful for those with allergies. Handling the Oreck Commercial XL Pro 5 is a breeze. Its lightweight construction and ergonomic design mean you can easily carry it by hand or over your shoulder, making it super portable and easy to use. The included detachable accessory caddy is a nice touch as it helps keep your tools organized and within arm's reach. You can move from one task to the next without fumbling for attachments, and you can store everything neatly when you're done. In terms of noise, the vacuum is reasonably quiet for a commercial-grade model. You won't have to worry about waking up the whole household or disrupting a busy office space while using it. Now, what about real-world performance? This vacuum excels when it comes to maneuverability and ease of use. The hose's ability to stretch and reach above floor areas is fantastic, especially when tackling stairs or tight corners. The telescopic wand makes it simple to adjust the length and ensure you're always at a comfortable height for cleaning. Whether you're working around furniture, up and down stairs, or vacuuming under tables, the Oreck XL Pro 5 moves with you, ensuring that no space is left untouched. It handles pet hair quite well, lifting embedded fur from rugs and carpets, though you might need to adjust the settings depending on the thickness of the carpet. However, one minor issue I noticed was that in very thick or deep carpets, it may struggle a little to lift deeply embedded dirt, though this isn't an uncommon issue with lighter vacuums in general. As for emptying and maintenance, the bagged design of the Oreck XL Pro 5 is simple to maintain. The bags are easy to remove and replace. And while bagged vacuums often require you to purchase replacements, they generally tend to offer better filtration and less dust exposure than bagless models. If you're someone who has allergies or is sensitive to dust clouds, you'll appreciate the cleaner disposal method. The bag's capacity isn't massive, so you'll need to replace them relatively frequently if you're using the vacuum in a commercial setting. However, for home use, the bag should last quite a while before needing to be swapped out. When it comes to value for money, this vacuum offers a solid balance of performance and cost. While it might be a bit pricier than some basic residential models, it's still a good investment for anyone needing a lightweight, reliable vacuum that doesn't compromise on suction. Given its versatile features, durable build, and the inclusion of multiple attachments, it provides great value, particularly for those with diverse cleaning needs. If you're comparing it to other vacuums in a similar price range, the Oreck Commercial XL Pro 5 holds its ground well. Competitors such as the Hoover Commercial TaskVac or the Shark NV752 offer similar suction and versatility, but the Oreck stands out with its impressive maneuverability, lightweight design, and above-floor cleaning capability, thanks to the long hose and useful attachments. These competitors, however, tend to weigh more and can be bulkier, which makes the Oreck an attractive option if portability and ease of use are at the top of your list. As for build quality, Oreck has done a great job with this model. The materials used feel solid, and the vacuum's overall construction is designed to withstand regular use. The hose and wand connections feel secure, and the vacuum's body has a professional-grade look and feel. There's minimal flexing or flimsy parts, which is impressive for such a lightweight machine. In terms of longevity, Oreck has a strong track record of producing durable products, and while this model is new, based on the brand's reputation, you can expect solid reliability over time. In terms of customer support, Oreck is known for its responsive service, and while I haven't had to contact them directly for this vacuum, the general feedback on their support network is positive. They're quick to respond and address issues, which adds a level of reassurance should you need any assistance down the line. To wrap things up, the Oreck Commercial XL Pro 5 is a versatile, compact canister vacuum that excels in portability and cleaning performance. It's especially suited for those who need to tackle both hard floors and carpets, while also dealing with tricky above-floor spaces like upholstery and stairs. Its lightweight design, powerful suction, and solid attachment pack make it a strong contender for anyone in need of a reliable vacuum cleaner. However, it may not be the best option for those with large homes full of thick carpets or who require extremely deep cleaning capabilities. If you're looking for a highly portable, easy-to-use vacuum for light to medium cleaning tasks, the Oreck Commercial XL Pro 5 is worth considering. Thanks for watching today's review. If you're interested in this vacuum, you can find the link to it in the comments box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Drop a comment below if you already own this vacuum or if you have any questions. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Goodbye till next time, and remember, no mess is too tough to tackle with the right tools.